What you should expect when you're moving to Lagos is
you need to come here prepared.
Yeah.
Don't come here and be sleeping on a bicycle.
Nope.
No. You need to know what you want.
Yeah.
And you need to know how to get what you want.
Exactly.
And the places to strategically
Thank you. I was going to say you have to have a strategy. You can't just come here, I'll come to Lagos, I'll blow. You'll miss road.
You can't blow like that.
You'll miss road.
You have to have a plan.
You definitely have to have a plan. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Live out the Fro. And as you can see, I have a special guest. Introduce yourself.
Hi
girl.
guys, my name is Oiza, popularly known as the Nigerian girl. I'm a lifestyle vlogger based in Lagos, Nigeria.
Since when?
Since.
Anyways guys, make sure you like this video and subscribe. We're going to be telling you our struggles of living in Lagos. We both moved from the north. She moved from
Kaduna
and I moved from Abuja. I moved in January 2019. Is it January 2019?
2020.
January 2020.
Wow.
Yes, I know, right?
Wow. It's like forever ago.
Exactly. So I moved in January 2020 and she moved in December 2019. So we're just going to tell you the basic struggles we've encountered since
based on our experience.
Based on our experience, okay? All right, let's get into this video.
Yes, guys.
Yeah, that my mamacita. Yeah, my shorty señorita. Yeah, anything she want, I give her.
Lagos is not cheap.
Lagos is far from cheap.
I'm telling you.
Freaking expensive.
If you just come out, 5K.
Breathe.
Has left your account.
Sneeze.
You cough, 5K. You close your mouth. Like, everything is expensive.
Like, it's ridiculous.
From transportation to feeding. It's like, I don't even
and most times, I think the painful thing is the fact that you don't exactly get so much value for your money.
Exactly. You
can't give account of where the money is going.
I'm telling you, it's just this. There's something about the city that you just move. Money is leaving your pocket. It's so crazy.
But I think the good thing is that money constantly comes in and goes at the same time. It doesn't stay. Please,
I'd rather let the money stay and be coming in and that way to just be going. By the time it's August 14th, you're already broke. It's not even like, you know, at the end of the month. Gosh. It's crazy. Transportation especially, like Uber.
I think that's what makes a lot of people broke. The money that I personally spend on Uber, I would have built house by now.
I'm telling you, it's crazy. Like, you can go to somewhere that's not far, but because of hold up and traffic, you know, the ride is like extra expensive. Crazy. And in Abuja, like, I can't spend this much on transport. Like, this money I'm spending in a day will cover my transport for the week.
For the week, guys.
I swear, for the whole week.
And I don't know why it is so ridiculously expensive like that.
I actually don't know, and it's the norm. You can't be complaining. When I first came out, I'd be like, oh my god, it's transport so expensive. Everybody looking at me like, this is a normal rate. But in Abuja,
I mean, except
different.
if you want to use like public transport, like Danfos, Molue, and whatnot.
Look at me, guys. Just take a look. Do I look like somebody that
we look
enter?
like people that are gonna be hopping on buses?
No thanks. There's nothing wrong with people that enter, but it's not for everybody, and it's definitely not.
Especially with Kuro.
With COVID, someone just hurt you.
Thanks.
That's it.
No thanks.
No thanks. Lagos is not for the weak.
It is not.
Lagos is not for the weak. If you are not strong and if you don't act mad, you know, you have to act mad. You have to act aggressive. Or there's people who like try to take advantage of you. You have to like
the mindsets to have in this Lagos is just picture everyone else as a lunatic and you're the only sane person.
Yeah,
that's kind of hard to get by.
I'm telling you, Lagos is like, you just be minding your business. Someone can just, you know,
bad goes from nowhere.
Bad goes, as in you just, people are always fighting.
Table shaking, table breaking.
It's crazy. There's just some. I don't even know what that energy is. It's like very aggressive.
It's almost like the frustrations from daily run around and everything. People just tend to. I don't know how to explain what I'm trying to say.
Even in the markets, you know, in Abuja, you say, Auntie, come and buy now. This one will size you. In Lagos, Auntie, come and buy. They are grabbing you.
When you don't answer them, it's the same. You don't even fight.
You don't even fight. Like, they are savages. When they say they are savages, Lagosians are angry. I don't even know who offended them. Even the cab guys, everybody's angry. Everybody's angry.
Small mistake, the first thing you hear is bye-bye.
I'm telling you, very aggressive. But like, and you just have to match that energy, or else you'll be taken advantage of.
It's way different from where I come from, because KD is a very calm and serene environment.
Yeah.
Like people are like everyone has patience there, but here
I'm telling you, even on the queue or ATM, Abuja, people will wait. In Lagos, somebody wants to outsmart you. Always. Even if you got there before them, they'll say, I'm next, I was there, I had to go, but like that has happened to me.
Calm down.
Nah.
Just calm down.
Just breathe, you know.
It's not that deep, bro.
Namaste. Just take a deep breath and take a chill pill, okay? There's the tendency to get involved in the fast life. Like for guys, it's fraud, yahoo. For girls, it's like runs, using your body to get what you got. Some people might not like this, but it's facts.
It's facts.
It's like
facts.
It's facts. Like if you don't know yourself, you can get lost in the sauce.
You get carried away easily.
Very easily, and then men are always hitting on you, especially married men.
I don't know what the problem is with these married men. And the unfortunate part is your wives that are supposed to be sitting at home and taking care of you
and your
will
kids.
come on social media and be chasing the side chicks. Hello, mama.
Why?
Take care of your home first before you come out.
I'm telling you, it's crazy. Like I don't get it. It's like the more married they are, the more
out there they are.
It's crazy. Like
what are you people looking for?
I don't get it.
A married man will walk up to you and be telling you, I love you.
I love you.
I want to take care of you. I want to shift your womb.
As in,
I want to change your destiny.
I want to change it. Let me spoil you. Let me take care of you. Like literally, they don't have shame.
Like look at me. Do I look like I'm hungry?
Do you get? But there are people that are hungry. That's why they feel like they can approach you because it's the norm. Like you will literally hear some girls tell you, "Oh, this guy is my sponsor. This
paying
guy
her bills.
This got me my car,
her ride,
paying my school
paying
fees,
her rent,
this one now,
buying her phone."
It's totally normal. If you don't know yourself,
you get carried away.
Get carried away. Even for the guys, a lot of guys are into fraud, popping bottles, driving fast cars. It's not legit. It's not legitimate hustle. I'm telling you. So you gotta be careful. Another thing is traffic. What's the longest time you've been in traffic for?
I've spent like 5 hours in traffic. 5 hours.
I spent I think 5 to 6 hours, and the traffic was not moving. No, it was like
I don't know the thing about Lagos traffic. It's like a demon.
I swear,
very demonic traffic. Because by the time you now get to
where hold up, there's nothing there.
So it's like, okay,
why have I been here for the past 5 hours?
5 hours of our lives.
It's crazy. Like no. I feel claustrophobic when I'm in traffic because I'm so used to Abuja. Like I want to see you in 30 minutes. I'll see you in 30 minutes or even less. Like
as in, if I have in Kaduna, if I have an appointment for say 10, I leave my house at 9:40 or 9:50, 9:55 safe. I know that I'll get there.
I'm telling you, but Lagos.
You can't. Very unpredictable.
Don't even try it. Even if you leave an hour before, especially when you're going to the airport, don't even try that. It's better you go there and waste
flight.
You just miss your flight.
It will end in tears.
Air place is not boiling.
It will end in tears.
I'm telling you, don't try Lagos and traffic, guys. Just brace yourself. Make sure you have snacks.
What do you think it is that causes? I mean, what do you think could be the solution to Lagos traffic?
I feel like they should bring back bikes. Yeah. Because last year I came for like a month just to test how Lagos was, and then there was like go-karter and all these things. I mean, I didn't send away. I have a helmet. I'll literally just move. But now that there's no bike, there's nothing, there's no keke. It's like everybody's car is out, so the traffic is more. It's intense.
It's crazy.
It's an intense something, guys.
I feel like I heard recently that they launched like a helicopter service type thing.
I will not enter a helicopter in Lagos.
Why?
The engine oil might finish and he will just crash. I don't trust Nigeria. No, I beg.
But I mean, I feel like it's a lucrative business. The only thing is it's way too expensive.
Yeah.
I don't know how much precisely.
I don't think it's for the average Nigerian.
Exactly.
It's for the big boys and the big girls.
But another thing I feel like they can do to ease Lagos traffic is maybe create more other alternative modes of transportation.
Yeah,
like maybe cable cabs.
Yeah.
Cable cabs work in Lagos.
I don't think so. I don't think it'll work here, but fam, I think we should use canoe. Can use boat.
Yeah, I think they do that actually. They're ferries.
That ferries too.
But then again, there's always disadvantages.
I think the problem is there's overpopulation. There are too many people migrating to Lagos. So
that's just the problem.
I think that's to always be an issue. Yeah, and if they fix the roads, because most of the roads are horrible.
Very, very bad.
Very, very horrible.
For instance, now on my way here from K2 all the way down to Maryland to... I'm not very familiar with all the routes. Yeah, but acting like I know. But like there was a long stretch of traffic, and I was just thinking, God, this is what I'm going to meet when I'm going back.
It's crazy. It's crazy. Very times crazy. Like this,
so I think I can let me talk about at least one struggle that I've experienced here in Lagos that I'm still struggling with.
What is that?
I think it's how to balance everything that's happening at the same time. So for instance, it's like you need to discover what path it is you want to venture into. Like you can't take everything at the same time.
Sure.
So you need to focus on one first and then establish before you then move to the next one, you know.
That's
but then again, so long as you're able to, so long as you have the capacity to handle everything at the same time, why the hell not?
Yeah, if you can handle it, fine, but like sometimes it's not as flexible as we're making it seem to be. But yeah, you just have to balance everything. Like if you're hardworking, if you're hungry, and if you can be mad, Lagos is the place for you.
Because to be honest, like everyone out there is like 5 steps ahead of you.
Yeah.
So you constantly have to be on your toes. That's one thing Lagos teaches you.
Yeah, you can't be like mediocre. You can't be mediocre. They don't accept mediocre because there's someone that is ready to execute, do the job better.
Ideas.
I'm telling you. So literally, you have to shine your eye and you have to be hungry to survive in Lagos.
Honestly.
So one thing I like about Lagos is the social life. There's always a wedding, one
get together.
Like there's always, I'm telling you, like the nightlife,
house party,
different things. Like literally, people will suffer Monday to Friday, but they know that during the weekend
work hard and party hard.
Yeah.
That's one thing. They don't joke with fun.
They don't joke with fun. They take their fun seriously, and there's groove for every budget. According to your pocket, there's like an activity for you to do. Like
Lagos is not a dulling town.
It's not. It's
like,
so fun.
So long as you can imagine the kind of fun that you want to have, somebody else has thought about it and has implemented on it. So you just need to find who knows where it's happening.
I'm telling you, I love like going to the beach. I love going for events. I like going for concerts. There's always one industry night. There's always something. They're so innovative with their fun activities. What's your favorite thing? Fun activity?
I feel like the funnest thing. Is that such a word?
The funnest thing, the most interesting.
Okay, the most interesting thing I like to do here in Lagos: go to the beach, karaoke, house party. I love house parties.
Yeah,
I love house parties.
I do too.
I like to meet new people. So like anywhere.
I like weddings.
I like weddings too.
I like weddings.
The food.
But I need to buy a shobi.
That's what kills me about weddings.
Like when they say, "Oh, you must," and Lagos take their ashobi and dress in seriously. You're not buying ashobi. You're just going to go like that.
I literally have a friend who beefed me because I did not buy her sister's wedding ashobi. Like I'm not obligated to buy your sister's wedding.
Like it's your sister. It's not even your own. So if you that you're my friend, last they will be all right. Yeah, but
at the end of the day,
I'm telling you, you'll be fine. Lagos and nightlife. I have to get out. Abuja, I didn't used to have this much fun that I've had in just how many months. And I've stayed in Abuja for how many years?
Stop lying, please.
Okay, compared to the years, no, but the fun I've had in Lagos, I can't explain it. Like, I'll go to places in Abuja, people will front me. My father is, I don't call him names. You know, I'm bougie, I'm rich, but Lagos, no matter who you are, everybody
you blend in.
Everybody is blending, everybody is socializing, and that's one thing I love about Lagos.
Lagosians are not afraid to network. They're not afraid to meet new people.
I'm telling you.
It's a very open community, I would say.
Very open and non-judgmental.
Honestly.
I love the fact that you can network. Like you can literally say, okay, this is my goal.
Exactly.
I want to meet X, Y, and Z. You just go to supermarkets, you can literally see that person. Like there's always an opportunity to. You always know someone that knows someone.
Exactly.
That can get you to that level. People say it's farming, but I don't see it as farming.
It's networking.
It's network, girl.
I feel like it's people who cannot relate or people who don't find it easy to open up to people that see it as farming. It's not farming. It's networking.
Build your network because that's what will help you. Like
they say, a closed mouth is a closed what? Blessing.
Oh yeah, I thought closed mouths don't get fed.
No, a closed mouth is a closed blessing.
Yeah, a closed mouth is a closed blessing. The thing I love about Lagos is there are multiple ways to make income.
Yeah.
Like you meet someone that has a 9 to 5 and she'll tell you, oh my god, I bake, I sew clothes,
I sell shoes,
I sell bed sheets,
I make hair.
As in, like everybody has a side hustle.
I make hair, you guys.
Yeah, she does hair. Guys, look at my hair. She did that. She did that. If you follow her, you're gonna see the videos, so if you're interested, make sure you check out her channel. Share. Yeah, you'll be motivated to, like, you know, make money here. Honestly. Because everybody is hustling.
The thing is, like, so long as you're able to think and have ideas and possibly have capital to push it, there's no limits to how far you can go.
I'm telling you, like Lagos is just that place. You can see the money, so you're equally, you know,
just put yourself out there.
Put yourself out there.
Put yourself in position to be noticed.
And Lagosians like unique. They like things that stand out. I'm telling you.
But at the end of the day, would you say that Lagos is the place to be?
I would say yes and no. I feel like I don't know if I can answer like that. Yes, Lagos is the place to be if you want to be successful, if you want to make a name for yourself. Yeah, I agree. But then there's still people that make it in Abuja. It just depends. But if you're like a creative and if you're into media, Lagos is definitely the place, not Abuja.
Because I don't know, but I feel like it's unfair that all the creative agencies, all the big brands, all the everything is like based here in Lagos. Yeah. Why don't they circulate, move to other parts of the country? What you should expect when you're moving to Lagos is you need to come here prepared. Yeah. Don't come here and be sleeping on a bicycle. No. You need to know what you want. Yeah. And you need to know how to get what you want. Exactly. And the places to strategically Thank you. I was going to say you have to have a strategy. You can't just come here, I'll come to Lagos, I'll blow. You'll miss road. You can't blow like that. You'll miss road. You have to have a plan. You definitely have to have a plan. You have to have some sort of savings. You have to have somewhere to stay, family, friends, you know. I won't say just get a place like that because these landlords be tripping. Or like the house might have 3 or 5 commas. So it's better you stay with someone, test it out, see, okay, let me do 1 month here. Okay, if you feel like you can do this, then you can now dive in. You get. It's very important to do your research. Definitely do your research before coming in. So guys, that's it for this video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Till next time. Bye. Bye guys. Dress anyhow. Well, people have different. Come on my video. I've been holding cups since guy. Coffee your soul. What? I know. She said coffee your soul. I don't know. You can't yawn here. This is tell her who that yawn paid 10,000. Guys, this is the second time we're filming this video. Let's be honest. We filmed with no audio. Do you know how? What's the word now? And then NEPA took lights. Then dog said back in a busy generator. That said generator, fam. The struggle is not easy, but we do this because we love you guys. For the culture. And we do it for content. So please just pause, like and subscribe. Also subscribe. It doesn't take money out of your pocket. Drop a comment down below. Tell us some of your own struggles. If you got a look in your eyes, staring right into my soul.